We have scaffold. We have scaffold. Well, at least the first day of it. Guys have left a few poles. I think they've left everything behind, ready to finish it off on Monday. Okay. Ugh. Down there. How good. And we've got the leftover stacks just there. Once the safety nets go up on Monday and they finish the scaffold, I'll then look at going up there and doing a walkover. Show you the whole layout. We don't have any potable water on site aside from at home, so I just fill this up every night, stick it in the freezer. So I filter our water and then I pour it into here, stick it in the freezer for the lads during the day, and it's still kind of cold at least. He's certainly trying to rain. Okay, let's make this something good. Not quite sure where to start here, to be fair, but take it till you make it, right? Let's get the tools out. What I'm going to do is similar to what I did on this one, except now I've got a little bit more experience with it. I'll probably start here. Might set my string line up first just to get the bottom edge, and then that will give me a guide as to sort of where I want to roughly have the posts to keep it square. As I see here. Now of course if I have it lower or higher and I've got these posts on an angle, it's going to throw off me sort of measurements, but I'll get it as close as I can. Rule of thumb for string lines, it's about 7. Look at that, beautiful. So I'll push that down to the bottom of there. Our level's pretty close. Somewhere there, and I'll have the post. I need to put a block of wood down here, and then I'll just lift these up by about 50 to 80 mil, and that gives a lot of bedding for the concrete underneath. One long piece, is that gonna do me? That's not great. I don't want the bow that way. I might see if I have one that's not as bowed. Yeah, I'll spray the holes for you. I'll take the string line off before you start. Oh yeah. Of course the string line will fall down the hole. I'll just wet these holes once you've got the water in there. So I'd say one more and then we'll evaluate it. So that's the one you're doing. Yeah, one you're doing now will be the last one.
Sorry?
The one you're doing now will be, in theory, the last one. Ooh, okay. A bit of water in there. Takes a while to drain. Bloody good. What's that? Ah, that's right. No, it was one of the holes that was a little bit wet, so that one's sloppy anyway, but that's fine. No, that's fine. That's fine. Being sloppy's better because if I pour it between multiple holes, it will come out of the barrel a bit easier. Yeah, this is the last one. That. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna pour it, yep. Whew. Okay. I need to re-auger this hole here. It's slightly out. Was never going to get the post to conform to that. Easy fix. I'm just glad it's the last one.